Hello and welcome back to GoHighLevel Mastery course. This is Husnain from XortLogix. Up till now, we have understood what automation is and how triggers and actions work conceptually. Now, we are entering the most practical part of GoHighLevel, real triggers and real actions that beginners actually struggle with. And we will have a question that how should I know that these are the real triggers and actions that beginners actually struggle with? We have got the list directly from our internal GHL department experience, the guys who are working with the clients directly and on the daily basis. In this series, we're not going to cover every trigger in GoHighLevel. Instead, we have shortlisted the exact triggers and actions that confuse beginners the most, break automations when used incorrectly, and are used daily in real systems. We will not rush it. Each upcoming video will focus on one trigger or one trigger group, explain when it fires, connect it with real actions, and show how it is actually used in production systems. We will start with simple, high-frequency triggers and gradually move towards advanced and AI-based automations. This way, you won't just memorize features. You will understand why and when to use them. If you follow this sequence properly, you will stop guessing in workflows and start building predictable and reliable automations. So let's start with the first trigger in the next video.